Well, you just need it on top. You know what I mean?
Do you want to poke that again, maybe?
It's coming out.
Okay. Cool, cool.
Just needs a man to squeeze it.
A man's touch.
You know what I mean?
Can we hit a little more on top?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Heck yeah, look at
That's
that.
it. That's all we got.
That's all we need.
All right. Now, we'll take that. Make no mistake, this is a two-man job.
Yes, it is.
All right, so here we go. We're gonna put the level on it. Put it in there, turn while you push. Set the hose in place. Now, let's see. Okay. All right.
All right, so you screwed in.